Hi guys, Dr. Ashley here. As you know, we see miracles every day here at Prince Health and Wellness. We have Amy, who has been referred by one of our favorite patients. Christy has referred so many people to us. And so, because she saw the good results. Okay, so let's see what we get. We just did an upper cervical adjustment on Amy.
I can smell it. Peppermint?
Yes?
No way.
Yeah!
Yeah, I can smell it.
Okay.
I'm gonna cry.
Okay. You would not have been able to smell that before.
No.
Okay, let's keep doing it.
Okay.
Let's see what we get with this one. Okay?
Lemon?
Yes.
Yeah, I can smell it.
Okay, do you want to keep going?
Sure.
Okay. So this is like a very light smell.
Smells like a cocoa?
Yes.
Really?
And lastly, this is everybody's favorite because most people say that coffee smells horrible.
Oh, that smells good.
Okay.
Mhm.
So, Amy, did this work?
Yes.
Would you
definitely.
recommend this
Yes.
to someone else?
100%. This is amazing.
So, last question, did it hurt?
It's weird, but it doesn't hurt. It's not painful.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, if you know someone struggling with loss of taste and smell, come see us. God bless you.